everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a double exposure effect in CapCut PC Pro. Let's use these two videos as examples. First, drag the first video into the timeline. Then, go to Video Remove BG, click on Auto Removal to delete the background. Next, go to Video Basic. Scroll down, click on Canvas. Choose the color, for example, white. Right-click to create a compound clip. Then drag and drop the second video onto the timeline, overlaying it on the upper layer. Next, go to Video Basic, click on Blend, and choose Screen. You can adjust the opacity according to your needs, as well as the position of the videos. You can also go to the Adjustment tab to make further adjustments. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.